Hello, hello everybody, it's Mindy, and you see what I have, right? I have a purple tube. You know, you thought I was done, right? Well, no, I'm not, because this is one of the new ones. Yay! I'm so excited. You guys, they got a small order in of the new Chloe sisters. I don't know what else they got in. They had those 4 new pre-orders, and they're here. So this is my first one. I got two, and if you know me, you can probably figure out what I ordered. And they're here. So this is the first one. There is our toolkit. Here is our painting, and there is nothing else in there. Now, here's some exciting things, okay? We still have the purple tube. Sorry, I just kind of breezed right past the purple tube. The nice purple tube with the strap, with your picture dangling off the bottom. Yeah, there's a picture on there. Okay, so this one is supposed to have a couple of different things, okay? So let's get into it, and we'll talk about what it is. This is not different. This is the same toolkit. A nice, soft kind of burlap-y kind of bag with all of our goodies in it. Let's see what we get. Yay. So, yeah, they're excited, man. They got this. They got some of these in pretty quickly. Here is your toolkit. It's in this bag. If you've never seen a Craftibly toolkit, let me show it to you. I'll show it to you if I can get it open. Okay, we have a white boat. We have a clear pen with a 4-placer on it. We have tweezers, pointy tweezers, sharp tweezers. They come in every kit. All right, squishy. What else do we have? We have another 4-placer, a 5 or a 7-placer, I always forget, 7, and a plate of wax, okay? If that's not enough, though, then you get all these fun things. Go over here. You get all these fun things. You'll get 2 pots of branded wax, right? You get those, okay? And then you get 2 washi tapes. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? Bright, vibrant colors. Look at those. A yellow. Oh, my gosh. Okay, that's going to go with my painting. Okay, and then the pink polka dots, okay? And here is my cover minder of the day. What do I get? What do I get? Cover minders are random, you guys. A friend of mine, Joe, he's like, I think we should start a cover minder exchange program. I think we should, so that you can get one of everything. Look at what I got this time. I got one of the raindrops. Look at how cute it is. It's glistening red raindrop magnet on the bottom. How cute is that? And they all come in these little containers, right? That's my cover minder of the day. There we go. Okay, all right, that's the toolkit. Now, that's not exciting enough. Let's get into this, okay? All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay, nice soft canvas. It really is nice. It's a really nice kind of felty feeling canvas. Let's see. My tape comes together right here. Can I peel it off? Can I peel it? No, I can't ever peel it. You guys, I can never peel it. I got scissors here. Let's attack it. Attack the tape. Okay. Okay, tape's coming off. Oh, did you see a hint of the colors in there? Did you get a hint of the colors? Okay, it's poured glue. Look, we have serged and scalloped edges. These don't fray. They're poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards so I can get all of the stuff out of the inside. You can see the colors. You can guess, right? You see the colors. Oh, okay. So here's this, and this, and this, and this is the new stuff. This is exciting. Okay, we'll look at that in a second. Okay, finish rolling this backwards. And then I'm going to just set it aside for a minute. Okay, so, of course, it is frog-loving Felicia. Hello. One of the Chloe sisters, right? So this time there was frog-loving Felicia, butterfly collector Brielle. There's one more they're going to be able to get, and that's the tiger one. And that will be coming, I don't know when. Next order, probably. All right, so this is the same. This is their information sheet. Tells you how to diamond paint, talks about the washi tape, the cover minders. I still don't have a macaroon. I have not gotten a macaroon yet of any color. All of the good stuff with their kits, their phone number, all of their information, everything's there. All the cool stuff. All right, so this is the new part. Now, you'll notice that these were inside the painting. They were not wrapped around the outside because these are being put in with the painting at the factory. So Craftibly does not have to open these up anymore. Everything comes inside that tube ready to go. All they have to do now is put an inventory sticker on it, put the barcode on it, and they are ready to ship them out. So this is new. This part's not new. 53 colors, holy smokes. She's got 53 colors. So here's their labels. They are still peelable. You'll notice they're individually peelable stickers. They're a little bit smaller, but they are still large. They are not little. They are still a good size sticker. I love them. You could actually make stickers out of these. These are perforated down here too, I believe, if you wanted some more stickers. Anyhow, 53. Look at, and it's a round, so this is going to be a rhinestone, and 1, 2, and 3 ABs. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's going to be so pretty. This part is what's new. This all comes as one sheet now, and it's got your information over here. 18 by 24 inch Frog Love and Felicia, peelable checklist and sticker sheet. I Sweat Glitter is a sticker. You can pull that sticker off and you can put it on whatever you would like. They're called the Just Cuz stickers, just because. We got a couple diamonds. We got I Love DP, another diamond, and here is your logbook sticker. Yay, there she is. Frog Love and Felicia, you can write your start date and your finish date. This is all on one sticker sheet. This is awesome. Good job, Michael. Michael is always trying to come up with something new and different. Better, improvements, all that. These are cool. I love it. I've seen pictures of them, but this is the first one I've actually had in my hand. I mean, come on. It just keeps getting better and better, right? Love it. Absolutely love it. And now they don't have to open up any of the paintings, right? Okay, are you ready? I kind of flattened her. I squished her a little bit. Craftibly diamond painting. Sparkly canvas. Would you like to see that drill field? How about those eyeballs? What do you think about those eyeballs? How do they look? They look good? They look good. I just happen to know that that white circle is AB right there. That's always a white AB with Craftibly, I think. Look at it. It's a frog. It's a frog on her head and a great big old water lily there. I'm calling it a water lily because frogs and ponds and water lilies, I think that's what it is. Look at her. Oh my God, she's so cute. Look at her. She's adorable. Oh my gosh, I cannot love these any more than I already do. I'm working on Petunia, and I got like this row down here done on the bottom, and she's adorable. I got part of the dog, I got the purse. Oh my God, they're so adorable. I love these. You guys, I love these. Look at these frogs. Look at the froggies. Froggy, and the froggy on her head. We got the water lilies. We got the lily pads. She's adorable. Adorable. I love her background too. Of course, we have a what? We have what? A dragonfly? Yes, we have a dragonfly. We got the background. The background is unique. It's got like yellow spots and dots, and here's another like flower in here, another yellow dot there. So it's not just a big solid background. I love it. Sheena Pike, Sheena, you have done a fantastic job. Here's the details at the bottom. Frog Lovin' Felicia, Sheena Pike, art and illustration. Oh my gosh. I just wish we could get more of them. That's all. They're all so cute. Okay, there she is. I just adore her. Look at those green glasses. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Okay. You know, I want to start this one. You know, I just need to finish. I need to finish Petunia first. All right, let's look at the drills. We got one big long bag of drills, and look at those colors. Look at the colors. All right, look at them. Oh my goodness. Let's look at them. Come on. Open up. This even has a sticker on the bag, as you saw. Sticker, same kind of logbook sticker on the bag. They're all in order. I like to take them out, show them to you, mess them up. I like to get into the drills. I do. Look at the pinks. Facial? Yeah, probably. Greens. Look at the pretty greens. She's going to have so many greens, right? All of those greens. And look at those yellows. Look at these colors. Okay, we have to have some grays, okay? But then look, more greens. Let's continue the green parade. Green, green. Oh, that's a blue. Green, green. Aqua, teal, blue. Then we, oh, because she's got blue hair too. She has this green swirly hair, and then she's got the long blue hair. She's adorable. Just adorable. All right. Some more pinks, more blues, a chartreuse green, more blues. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. All right, oh, that was all of the regular drills. I just managed to grab all the rest of the regular drills, and these are our rhinestone and our AB. All right, I told you there was white, okay? White is always a dot with Craftibly. Hello, focus. Focus, hocus pocus. And then we have this beautiful chartreuse green. Oh my, and a ton of it. Glasses, please be in her glasses. Please be in her glasses. We'll look in a second. And look at all of the yellows we have. You guys, there's a ton of ABs for this. Look at the ABs. And then here's our rhinestone. It's gold. Where's this gonna go? Centers of these flowers. I'm gonna guess the centers of the flowers are gonna be the rhinestone. That's just a guess. All right, let's check it out and see. I mean, what a beautiful combination for your special drills, right? For your ABs and stuff. Gorgeous, right? Okay, the up arrow. Well, not the centers of the flowers, actually, but around those are the up arrows. See the up arrows? I thought they'd be these darker ones, but they're not. They're around there, okay? But they are in the flowers. Like every flower has some. And then this flower, which is only a partial flower, has some. This flower, this is all outlined in rhinestones. Oh my gosh, fantastic. Fantastic. Where else? I'm gonna just assume the other flowers, and I'd be right. Oh my goodness, you guys. All around this flower, see all those up arrows? All around this flower. And all around the large flower. Look at all of those up arrows. That is cool. That is all rhinestone. There's even some over here on the froggy's bow tie. Froggy's bow tie, look. All right, that's rhinestones, guys. That is the rhinestones. The 7 is, what color is the 7? The yellow? Yep, that's the yellow. Okay, so, oh wow, all of the circles in here on the frog, all of the circles, all of this, okay, all of this here. This circle is all AB, well not all, but a lot of AB, in the flowers. Oh my gosh. Around the froggy, they're just everywhere. They're everywhere. I love it. 51 is the 3. Okay, so we get her little dress she's wearing. This is AB, AB, AB. All around this frog here is the green AB. Green AB here, here. Oh my gosh. And the glasses. Yes, her glasses have green AB all around them. And then, are there more up here? Yes, through her hair. Okay, just, you see where there's yellow and green? There's going to be ABs, right? And then the whites, oh my gosh, the whites in the flowers here in her glasses. All the little spots around her glasses are the white AB. More white AB. I make it. Oh, this flower is going to be gorgeous. It's got 2 ABs, the white, the yellow, and the rhinestone. Can I love this kit anymore? No, I can't. I adore this kit. It is charted perfectly. It's beautiful. And then she's got blue lips. It's gorgeous. I might put some quad cubes in her necklace. I am not doing anything to Petunia. I am doing Petunia straight as charted. But I might put quad cubes in her necklace. I don't need to put quad cubes in her glasses because they're ABs. It would be a perfect place to put some quad cubes, you know, because they're perfect little squares here. But they're white ABs. Why? I just don't feel the need to mess with that. Anyhow, she's adorable. She's adorable, and she's available. You can buy her, okay? And if you want to save 15%, you can use my code, Mindy15, and save 15%. You could get her sister, too, if you wanted. You know, Butterfly Collector Brielle. She'll be coming next. I also love that they've got thicker plastic. It doesn't wrinkle up and get all messed up. Did I tell you there's a legend on both sides? I can't even stand it right now. I forgot stuff because I'm too excited to see her. There's a picture up here, too. She's, oh, come on. Can it get any cuter? Can it? Seriously, get any cuter? She looks like she lives at my house, right? Like she should be outside at my pond all day long, just hanging out. Okay, I'm going to go now, and I'm going to make this video. I'm going to get it produced. I'm going to get it out there for you so you can see it ASAP, because how can you resist? How can you resist that? Seriously. Okay, I'm going to go now and get this out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love her. I hope you go get one if it's your style. I mean, if it's not, you know, I understand, but I can't resist. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Come back because you're going to want to see your sister, okay? It'll be in a couple days. You'll see your sister. See you guys. Bye.